Mr. D'Souza purchased 200 shares of face value rupees 50 at a premium of rupees 100. He received 50% dividend on the shares. After receiving the dividend, he sold 100 shares at the discount of rupees 10 and remaining shares were sold at a premium of rupees 75. For each trade, he paid the brokerage of rupees 20. Find whether Mr. D'Souza gained or incurred a loss and by how much. Solution. First of all, we have to calculate total investment of Mr. D'Souza. Mr. D'Souza purchased 200 shares of market value is equal to face value plus premium is equal to 50 plus 100 equals to rupees 150. He purchased 200 shares of market value rupees 150. Number of shares is equal to 200. Therefore, sum invested is equal to market value into number of shares equals to 150 into 200 equals to 30,000. Brokerage paid rupees 20 at the time of purchase. Total investment is equal to 30,000 plus 20. We have to add brokerage while we are purchasing the shares. Now dividend received 50%. Now dividend per share is equal to face value into rate of dividend. We know that dividend is also calculated on face value of the share. Now by putting values, 50 into 50 upon 100, zeros cancelled, 5 into 5, 25 rupees. So dividend on one share is equal to 25 rupees. Then total dividend income received on all 200 shares is equal to number of shares into dividend per shares. Dividend per share is equal to 200 into 25 and that will rupees 5,000. So Mr. D'Souza received total 5,000 dividend on 200 shares. Now after that, Mr. D'Souza sold 100 shares on 10 rupees discount. Then market value will be face value minus discount equals to 50 minus rupees 10 is equal to rupees 40. And number of shares is 100. because they sold only 100 shares out of 200. Amount received after selling 100 shares is equal to market value into number of shares minus brokerage, because at the time of selling we have to minus the brokerage from total value. 40 into 100 minus 20. Therefore 4000 minus 20 is equal to 3980 rupees. Now Mr. D'Souza sold remaining 100 shares at the premium of rupees 75. Mr. D'Souza sold remaining 100 shares on premium of rupees 75. Therefore market value is equal to face value plus premium. Therefore 50 plus 75 is equal to 125. Now market value is 125 because of the premium. Number of shares is equal to 100 because they sold 100 shares earlier. And now amount received by selling remaining 100 shares is equal to market value into number of shares minus brokerage. It's equal to market value is 125 now into 100 minus 20, then 12,500 minus 20 equals to 12,480 rupees. Now total amount received after selling $200 shares is equal to 3,980 plus 12,480 equals to 16,460 rupees. 16,460. Now we know that they received total dividend 5,000 rupees. 5,000. Then total amount received after 3 transactions, is equal to sum of 2 transactions, that means 16,460 plus dividend 5,000 is equal to 21,460. Now total investment is equal to 30,020. Total investment is 30,020 rupees, and total gain after all three transactions is equal to 21,460. But 30,020 is greater than 21,460. That means investment is greater than total gain. That means total amount he received after selling 200 shares and receiving 5,000 dividend. That is total gain. But investment is greater than total gain. That is why Mr. D'Souza incurred a loss. Therefore, total loss is equal to investment minus gain. Gain means money received. Money received equals to 30,020 minus 21,460 equals to 8,560 rupees. That means Mr. D'Souza incurred rupees 8,560 loss.